If you are an iPhone user, you're probably wondering how to use AirPlay on LG TV. We'll show you. From the AirPlay menu, make sure that your phone and TV are using the same Wi-Fi connection. Now you're ready to connect your phone. First, swipe down from the top and find Screen Mirroring. Then you'll see the TV name from the list. Select the TV you want to connect with. The TV will give you a passcode. Type in the passcode on your phone, then it's all done. Now enjoy your phone content on the bigger screen.
Hey Siri, play Escape on Living Room TV.
Now playing Escape on the living room TV.
You can easily control the volume from your phone. And you can also say,
Hey Siri, move to 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Once AirPlay is connected, just sit back and enjoy the show. Binge watch with your iPhone without the need for a remote control. This is it. This is ThinQ AI, LG's intelligent assistant. All from your TV. All powered by your voice.